Hi everyone and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1972 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. This is a matching numbers big block car, guys. Factory Gulf Green metallic with a factory green vinyl interior. Neat car. I put some miles on this car. I probably put 10 miles on this car. Hits the road good. This thing really drives out nice, which these cars were kind of known for that. They were really good drivers. It's an older restoration. They figure the paint on this car is about 15 years old. I think he said around 2003. It had a mechanical restoration, but the paint on the car, like I say, they said it's about 15, 16 years old. Original color combination. You can see it's got the BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it with the stock rally wheels with the flat caps, which is the look that I like. I believe it has the original bumpers. Car only has 63,000 original miles. Good, solid, straight old car. You can nitpick the paint as we kind of walk around and try to show you that. You can see a couple little scrapes and stuff like that. Again, original chrome. Sorry, got a little frog in my throat here today. These are original headlight bezels. Original grill. These are very tough to find, guys, believe me. I have had, this one's in actually really doggone good shape. Monte Carlo grills are not easy to come by. See, a couple little scratches in the paint. Very tough. I had to buy one time and I had to give $3,500 for one that didn't look like that, I'll tell you that. Original bumperettes. I know some people have waiting for this car to hit online. I had to order a new compressor for it, so we just got it in, just got it installed. The air blows ice cold on it. A crack there in your speaker cover. Good car. Like I say, a real good running and driving car. Really hits the road good. Little blemishes in your paint there. I'm not trying to pick it apart, guys, but like I say, about 90% of the people we sell these cars to are sight unseen. So if there's anything that I see, I just try to show it to you. Again, this is all your original trim in the back, so you can nitpick it. Couple little pits on your deck lid there. Good straight old car. I really wouldn't do anything to this car. I mean, if you want to do some trim, some stuff like that, that's up to you. Man, I like the car just really the way it is, man. I'd turn the key and drive this thing. I had a 67 Satellite, a lot like this, man, and I left it alone and drove it, man. One of the funnest cars I've ever owned. Oh, it's got four-wheel disc brakes. It's also got some kind of wazoo radio in it, which I know nothing about. Again, matching numbers, big block car, 402. Edelbrock 600 CFM 4-barrel, Edelbrock intake, power steering, power four-wheel disc brakes. He's even got the chrome master cylinder and booster on it. Brand new Old Air Products compressor, so the air blows ice cold. 400 turbohydramatic trans. good looking little car, man. Original mirror. This is a remote mirror. Original door handles. I think this stuff's all original too, guys. Power windows work. It's got a power seat. It's slow, to be honest with you. Power windows work real good though. Bucket seats, console, tilt column, cruise. I can't say I've ever turned that on. $63,813, and that's supposed to be your right miles. It's got a JVC aftermarket sound system. They put a radio delete plate in there. Good sounding dual exhaust. Factory 3, I think it's 331, stock 331 rear end. Jack and spare is in here. He does have, the gentleman that we actually got the car from, he's got some receipts in there for everything he's done. I think he's owned the car since 03. Again, it's got whatever all that stuff is. I am not a radio guy. Again, this is some receipts for as long as he's had it. Sill plates. Looks like they've replaced the carpet. Oh, this stuff looks original. Yeah, I think the back seat's original. I think they've replaced the front seats. Of course, I put the new mats in it. Factory wood grain dash. Got Jordan fired up here. Like I say, car runs and drives. Belt. It's got the air on. The air blows cold. Like I said, that's brand new. Got good sound to it. Little cam to it. Not much for gauges in there. It's got an aftermarket tack under there. Is that working? Yeah, I don't know if that's it. Is it working, Jordy, or no? No? Nice little cam to it. Oh, we got a bulb out on the bottom there. I'll have the guys check that. Yep, on that side. Backup lights work. It's a good old car, man. Hits the road good. Yeah, power windows, see Jordan rolling them up and down.
It's got a brand new radio, I just don't know how to...
I think on the right there it says source. Nope. See, and that, nope,
no.
Yeah.
It might have lost power.
We'll have to check that, guys. I'm not real sure. We may not even be turning it on right. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is to our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video, guys.